When it comes to plumbing work, whether you are fixing or installing, having the right tools on hand can make all the difference. So in today's video, we will show you some amazing plumbing tools that you should have. Snap Drill Hole Cutter. It's your all-new secret weapon to make perfect holes every time. This lightweight tool easily, precisely cuts up to 4-inch pipes, ensuring your cuts are always centered. Now you no longer have to face uneven holes and wrist strain because the snap drill features an automatic feed mechanism. The amazing part hits here. This hole cutter comes with a built-in level that has 3 different positions, so you can complete every application with even greater accuracy. Worried about the overhead operations? Not an issue. This tool is perfect for them, and the carbide hole saw is made to last, so you can confidently tackle any job. Get ultimate stability and precision when working on metallic piping systems with these Rothenberger press rings. This specially designed press ring set includes all important files and sizes so that you can handle all major pipe dimensions effortlessly. These press rings allow you to perform tasks in places where you once had to spend a lot of time working. With an effective locking function, the press rings remain open to ensure ease of one-handed operation, while maintaining the highest level of safety in every job. The most notable feature of these press rings, they have a 180-degree swiveling function, allowing you to tackle every installation even in the tightest areas. On top of that, these press rings are made from high-quality material, allowing them to last for a long time. Plumbers never leave home without a wrench in their toolbox. This is the WORKPRO WP2-72014 Water Pump Pliers. It's a versatile tool that combines the functionality of an adjustable wrench and pliers. This tool is compact, but gives you the ultimate strength to complete jobs faster. It's made of high-quality CRV steel that ensures longevity and offers stability. With a jaw-opening range of up to 42 millimeters, the WP2-72014 can handle a wide range of nuts and pipe diameters, and the measurement scales make it easy to size them accurately. Thanks to the anti-slip teeth, it provides a secure grip on every material. Meanwhile, the tricolor handle stands for the most comfortable grip. Additionally, the convenient trigger of this tool makes it an ideal solution for all wrenching jobs. Okay, you've used a lot of clamping tools to grip large pipes before, but have you ever used a belt clamp to grip large pipes? If not, then count on this RIDGID 424/7/8 strap lock pipe handle, which is a completely exceptional tool that brings out the best way to hold and move all the thick pipes the project throws at you. You can use it for both cold and wet environments. No matter what kind of applications you have in hand, cutting, joining, or separating, this strap lock pipe handle simply serves as an extra set of hands during the toughest workshop hours. It simply delivers a reliable gripping facility, and it not only increases your confidence on the job, but it also improves your productivity. A clever design, huge benefits. Whether you're a professional in the plumbing or HVAC industry or a DIY enthusiast, the Swage Lock Benchtop Tube Bender is an essential tool for any tube bending job. The easy-to-use tool produces high-quality bends on fractional or metric tubing and reduces installation time and effort by a significant amount. The Swage Lock Benchtop Tube Bender is designed to bend tubing with outside parameters ranging from 1/4 inch to 1 1/4 inches with precision and ease. Made from rugged, lightweight aluminum, this benchtop bender is built to withstand heavy use and provide years of reliable performance. In addition, the design of the Swage Lock Bender helps you to reduce the potential for wrinkling or other damage to tubing during bending, ensuring a clean, smooth bend every time. When dealing with short pipes, you may need more grip for a good calibration. That's where the Henco pipe holder comes in handy. Every professional in the plumbing field will love this tool. It's suitable for holding different types of pipe with diameters of 16, 20, 26, and 32 millimeters. This pipe holder simply keeps the pipe in the same place so that it won't turn in your hand and remain still during calibration. Hold your pipes with this handy assistant rather than taking the hassle of effortful calibration. Be ready to tackle any job, anytime, anywhere. Meet the Milwaukee Cheater Pipe Wrench. It's a multi-talented tool for all commercial projects. Don't let the name fool you. This wrench packs a punch with its all-in-one design that promises maximum efficiency. Now you can eliminate all the awkward angles in tight spaces. Thanks to the quick slide handle that locks at any length and provides the flexibility you need. And that's not all. The overbite jaw guarantees a firm grip with the largest surface area, so you won't have to worry about slipping. Whether you're fixing pipes or tackling high-leverage applications, this versatile tool has got you covered. So upgrade your toolbox today and take your productivity to the next level. Don't settle for just any pipe threader. Upgrade to one that will make your job easier and more efficient. This Milwaukee M18 pipe threader is a high-performing tool designed to prevent the hassle of traditional methods. This pipe threader revolutionizes the pipe threading process with plenty of power and makes sure you never go wrong when tackling tough pipe threading tasks. And if you need to tackle some jobs that need huge power, this M18 cordless pipe threader will get you covered with the corded type power. And if there's an emergency and you need to change the parts immediately, you can do that with a simple twist. One of the best features of this pipe threader is it comes with a reliable auto-stop technology that eliminates kickback issues and keeps you safe while working under pressure. Well, here's something cool. This multifunction magic wrench comes as the ultimate multitasking solution for all your demanding projects. Say goodbye to cluttered toolboxes and endless searching for the right size. This innovative tool automatically adapts to any size, making tightening and loosening a breeze, even in tight spaces. Plus, it provides a secure hold to the materials so you can get a firm grip on nuts and bolts without causing any damage to them. No more juggling multiple tools for various tasks. This magic tool does it all. Pipe threading is a crucial part of many plumbing, HVAC, and mechanical tasks. So let's conclude today's list with the Klutch 6-piece pipe threader set. These threaders are designed to complete all related jobs on time. Each threader is machined and hardened to deliver clean cuts every time. In terms of versatility, this set can cut NPT threads on pipes with diameters ranging from 1/4 to 1 1/4 inches. Plus, the Klutch pipe threader sets is specially made to work on black iron and gas line pipes, so you can be sure that it's up to the task, no matter the material. So that was the list of the amazing plumbing tools that you should have. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.